Hello students, good evening. Yasin, you have given the answer of the question number 1. I expect you may give the answers of the remaining questions also. Such a way all the students can give answers based on the question. Hello students, good evening. Yasin, you have given the answer of the question number 1. I expect you may give the answers of the remaining questions also. Such a way all the students can give answers based on the question. Hello students, good evening. Yasin, Today also we arranged many questions based on the chapter Trigonometry. Especially I told you that in our board examination this year there is a change in our question paper pattern, which is given much importance for the 1 mark questions. So there will be many questions. So I will show one by one, and there will be options A, B, C, D. You can find out the answer and you can comment the answer in the chat box. Same time I may go to explain its answer also. So when you get the answer you can comment it. Okay. So before we go to that, we can discuss the pre-class challenge. This question, the question number 1, you can see that here it is the question 5625. I told you that there is an idea to get the square. So same idea can be used for square root also. Here 25 means the last digit will be 5. 5 square is 25 is coming. And 56 means we know that 7 into 8. So the smallest number you select and write here. So 75 square will be this. Similarly, here 25 means last answer will be 5. And 72. 72 means we know that 8 into 9. So 8 is the smallest number. So we can write here 85 square. Similarly, here 90 means 9 into 10. 9 into 10, 90. So here will be 9 and 25 is the square of 5. So 95 square is that. So 95 is the answer of this square root of 9025. Similarly, 20 means we know that 4 into 5. 4 into 5 means the smallest number among this consecutive is 4. So this is 45 square. Can you understand? Similarly, 110 is here. 110 means we know that 10 into 11. 10 into 11. 10 into 11 what? 110. So 10 is the smallest number. So you can write here 10 and 25 is 5 square. So 105 square will be this. So square root of this is 105. So same idea what we studied in previous class. Same it is used here. So my dear students, you can see that the answers of the following pre-class challenge questions. Now we are going to enter the topic, and already we discussed the angle of depression, angle of elevation. Now you can see the question number 1. In this question there are option A, option B, option C and option D is given. So if you find its answer you can comment the answer in chat box. I will observe it. Okay. Same time I am going to explain it. So if you can't understand the topic you can listen that. Here the question, in triangle OPQ. So one triangle is there, OPQ. The main feature of the triangle OPQ it is that it is a right angled triangle and the right angle at P. So we can draw a triangle and we can give name as OPQ. The P should be 90 degree because it is right angled at P and OPQ. Then OP is equal to 7 centimeter. This OP is 7 centimeter and there is a condition OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. What is given there? OQ minus PQ is equal to 1. This we can write that minus PQ transpose to right side. So we will get OQ is equal to 1 plus PQ. So this PQ we can give a name X. The value of PQ we can give that X. So in this figure PQ we can give a X. So 1 plus PQ means what will be? 1 plus X will be OQ. 1 plus X we can write that X plus 1 also. Both it is same. So OQ is considered as x plus 1. So we got here OP 7, PQ x and OQ x plus 1. Now our question, find the value of sin Q. Before we go to find sin Q, we want to know the value of x. We know that this is a right-angled triangle. In a right-angled triangle, we studied the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the longest side? Longest side is opposite to right angle. So OQ is the longest side. So we can write that this x square, PQ square, what is Pythagoras theorem? PQ square plus OP square is equal to OQ square. This is Pythagoras theorem. So here PQ square means x square plus OP is 7. So 7 square, which is equal to OQ square means x plus 1 square. X plus 1 square. We know that x square means x square, 7 square means 49, and x plus 1 whole square, which is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab. 2 into a is x, b is 1. X into 1, that means x, plus 1 square. If you are listening, you can give the comment also if you get the answer. So we got x square plus 2x plus 1 square. This x square and this x square cancelled. And this 1 square is 1. If it comes to left side, it will be 49 minus 1 is equal to 2x. So we will get that 48 is equal to 2x. And 2 comes to this side, we will get that x is equal to 48 by 2, which is equal to 24. So we got x is equal to 24. So what will be x plus 1? 24 plus 1, that means 25. So we got all the sides, so we can find any value of the trigonometry, that means sin Q. Sin Q is equal to, what is sin? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite of Q. What is angle Q here? Here it is. Its opposite side is 7 and the hypotenuse is 25. So the answer is 7 by 25. If you understood, please give a comment yes. So my dear students, 7 by 25 is the option number A. Option number A is the right answer. If you understood, please give a yes comment, or you can give a no and repeat. I will repeat it. Do I want to repeat it again? Are you okay? So my dear students, can we go to next question? Next question, if sin A is equal to 24 by 25, then the value of cos A is dash. Such case is very easy. Here 24 stands for opposite side and 25 stands for hypotenuse. Now we require adjacent side, because cos A is equal to what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. So adjacent side getting, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Adjacent side will be square root of hypotenuse square minus opposite side square. Here hypotenuse stands 25. So 25 square minus 24 square. 25 square means 25 into 25. So we will get 625. Here 24 into 24, we know that 576. What is that? 576. When we subtract this, we will get that 49. So what is the root of 49? Which is equal to 7. So we will get adjacent side is corresponding to 7. So cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So we will get 7 by, I think you can follow me. So 7 by hypotenuse is 25. If any doubt, please just use the comment box. So my dear students, I am going to next question. Here 7 by 25 is the answer. Now third question. Now nobody is giving the comment. That's why I am just discussing. Okay. Oh yes, I am really sorry. I could not see the answers. Now I can. Okay. So Viveknath is given the answer. Muhammad Yasin is given. Vivek, thank you for being with us. So, okay, now we are going to next question. Next question, there is a triangle ABC which is right angled at B. So, we can draw a right angle triangle and we can give name ABC. Right angled at B, so here we can give B. ABC. Now, angle ACB is 90 degree. ACB is, 30 degree. Here it is 30 degree. Then, the length of the side BC is dash. BC is asked. BC we can consider it as X. Here AB is given that 5 and it is right angled. So we can use what sin 30 is equal to, really sorry, our question it is that find BC. So BC is the adjacent side of 30 degree and given AB is the opposite side. So we can write a tan. Tan is tan C. Tan C is equal to its opposite side what AB and adjacent side is BC. Here the angle tan C is tan 30 degree and AB is 5 and BC is X. Yes. Somebody got the answer. Ashwati got the answer. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 and here it is 5 by X. This X transpose to this side, we will get X is equal to 5 root 3. So very good, you got the answer. Next time onwards, you just give only the comments. Okay. Comment box you can give the option A, B, C, D, which is the right option that you can select. Now next question. In triangle ABC right angle at B, there is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, B is 90 degree. Here is A, here is C. Angle ACB is 30 degree, same as previous one. Here 30 degree. Then the length AC want to find. So AC we can suppose X. And what is given? AB is given 5. Here 30 is opposite is 5 and hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse means we know that sin C it is. So sin C is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So sin C means the angle is 30 degree and opposite side is 5 and hypotenuse is X. This angle's opposite is 5, hypotenuse is X. So my dear students, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 and here we got 5 by X. Can you say what is X? This X goes to numerator. 1 into X, X, 2 into 5, 10. So we got the answer. Option C is the right answer. Yes, Ashwati is given answer and the others also just give the answer if you can understand. Now next question. Yes. Justin also came. Okay, Marwa, Faisunnisa. Okay, Viveknath. Okay, very good. So my dear students, now we can go to next question. 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. This question, we know that 2 tan 30 means 2 into tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. 1 plus tan square 30 means 1 plus tan square 30. That we can write actually sec square. No need of that. Tan 30 value we know 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 square will come. So once again listen that 2 into 1 by root 3 we can write 2 by root 3. What I did 2 into 1, 2. This denominator is 1. So 1 into root 3, all divided by 1 plus 1 square is 1 and root 3 square is 3. By using cross multiplication on denominator, we will get that 2 by root 3 is equal divided by 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Cross multiplication, 3 plus 1 by 3. 1 into 3, 3. Here denominator 1. 1 into 1, 1. Divided by 1 into 3, 3. So we will get that 2 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3. Here we know the reciprocal multiplication. 2 by root 3 into this reciprocal what is 3 by 4. And here 2 is 1 time, in 4 it is 2 time. Root 3 there is 1 root 3. 3 we can write it as root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 will be cancelled. Balance root 3 by 2. Okay. So root 3 by 2 is the value of sin 60. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. What is cos 60? That is 1 by 2. What is tan 60? Root 3. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. We got the answer root 3 by 2, which is the answer of sin 60. So the answer is option A. Yes, many students got the answer. Ashwati got it. Marwa got it. Who is PPTX? Will you mention your name? Now next question. I am giving 1 minute for you. If it is possible, do it. Okay, very good. Rabin came. Okay, very good, Rabin. Rabin, you can mention the option. No need of writing the whole answer. Pavan it is. Okay, Pavan Poltaragan. I really forgot it. Okay. Anyway, we can continue. Next question. I am giving you 1 minute. If it is possible, just comment its answer. So, okay, we are continuing. The question it is that 1 minus tan square 45. 1 minus tan square 45. Yes. Many one given the answer. Very good. Okay. For others, I am telling the answer 1 plus tan square 45. We know that tan 45 is 1. So 1 minus tan 45 square means 1 square divided by 1 plus 1 square. We know that 1 square is 1, but 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this will be 1 plus 1. That means 0 by 2, which is equal to 0. So the answer is option D. Very good. Now we are going to next question. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to. What's the angle of a when it will be true? You can comment the answer. Okay, Marwa given the answer, Yasin given the answer, Pavan Poltaragan given the answer. Okay, John Alex given the answer. Okay. So my dear students, this question's answer you can comment. Here sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. We know that is sin 0 is equal to 0. So 2 into sin 0 is also 2 into 0, which is equal to 0. And sin 2 0 is equal to 0. Therefore sin 2 into 0 is also equal to sin 0, that means 0. So when the angle value a is 0, the sin 2a's answer is 0. And when a is equal to 0, 2 into sin 0 is also 0. So the value of a should be equal to 0. Can you understand? Vivek. John Alex, we can come to the topic. Later you can communicate. Now can I go to next question? Yes, Vivek given the answer. Now next question, 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. Here tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. If you get the answer, Rajana Haidar, will you mention your original name? Okay. So divided by 1 minus tan square 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So its square means it will be like this. So we get the answer 2 into 1 by root 3 means 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 square is 1, root 3 squaring time it will be 3. So after the cross multiplication, this will have the answer. So 2 by root 3 divided by 1 into 3. 1 into 3. What is cross multiplication? 1 into 3. 3 minus 1 into 1. 1 divided by 1 into 3. 3. So we get the answer 2 by root 3 divided by 3 minus 1, 2. So 2 by 3. So reciprocal multiplication will come there. 2 by 3 will become that 3 by 2 because the division changes to multiplication. Okay, Hima. So here 3 we can write that root 3 into root 3. So what we will get? This root 3 and this root 3 will cancel. This 2 and this 2 will cancel. Last there is only one root 3. And sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So this is not the answer. And cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. This is not the answer. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. So this is the answer. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So option C is the right answer. Pavan given the answer. I appreciate Pavan, Ashudi, Viveknath, Muhammad Yasin. Okay. Very good. Now we are going to next question. Nine into sec square a minus 9 tan square a. Yes. What is the answer of this question? Will you comment it? I will wait 1 minute. If you are okay, you can do it. Today at the end of this session, I will explain something related to our examination and the preparation related matters. Okay, so here we get a 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. This 9 is common, it can be taken outside. So we will get 9 into, yes, many one got the answer, Hima got the answer. This 9 is common in these two terms, it will be taken outside. So we will get 9 into sec square a minus tan square a. And we know that sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So it will be 9 into 1. What is 9 into 1? 9. Okay, so we got the answer 9, which is option B. Very good. Today everyone is actively participating. I don't know, I think today we used my MCQ type questions, so it will be easy for explaining and giving the answers. Okay, next question. Yes, John Alex mentioned that sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Next question, 1 plus tan a plus sec a into 1 plus cot a minus cosec a is equal to dash. This is a good question. It is Hod's level. I expect you may answer it very quick. I am giving you 1 minute. If it is possible, do it. Anyway, everyone can write the left side of this question. 1 plus tan a plus sec a into 1 plus cot a minus cosec a. This is equal to, so you look at this, tan means sin a by cos a, tan means sin a by cos a, sec a means 1 by cos a, that we will be studied, that all we can write here. Sec a means 1 by cos a, and tan a is equal to, we studied that sin a by cos a, sin a by cos a, and somebody is giving the answer, we can check it correct or not. Okay, wait there, I will explain it. You just keep. So cot a is equal to cos a by sin a, and cosec a is equal to 1 by sin a. These identities we know. So we can replace this tan a as sin a by cos a, and sec a we can write that 1 by cos a. So this one we can write here. Cos is the denominator, you know. As it is required to come, the cos is the denominator. Give cos a on the numerator also. So what will happen? This cos cancel. It will be equal to 1. So this all in this first bracket we shifted as the fraction form by getting the denominator as cos. Similarly, you can suggest that this cot means, what is the denominator? Cot means sin is the denominator. Yes, now Rabin got the right answer, I think so. We can wait. Anyway, listen here. Sin a by sin a, which is 1. Plus cot a, we are writing that cos a by sin a. And cosec a, we are writing that 1 by sin a. So my dear students, you can observe that here all having the same denominator cos A. So we can write here cos A. So here is the denominator cos A, and here is the denominator what is sin A. And observe here cos A plus sin A. That we can write in reverse order, sin A plus cos A, and plus 1 also there. Here also what it is coming, sin A plus cos A but minus 1. Now consider this sin A plus cos A as a single term. This all together you consider it as a single term. Just consider this sin A cos A as a single term A. So this read as A plus B. This is A minus B. A plus B into A minus B, we studied that. What is that? A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A square minus B square. Instead of A, we are assuming that sin A plus cos A. So we will write that sin A plus cos A all square. This is A square minus B. What is B here? 1. 1 square. All divided by denominator is sin A cos A. Sin A cos A. This is in the form of A plus B whole square. We can write that A plus B whole square is equal to first square. That means A square plus B square. What is B square? Cos square A plus 2AB. That means 2 into sin A cos A. And 1 square means 1. So minus 1. Divided by sin A cos A. And we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 plus 1. This 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So our answer will be 2 sin A, just a minute, 2 sin A cos A divided by sin A cos A. So sin A cos A will be cancelled. So the answer will be 2. So option C is the right answer. I especially appreciate Rabin, he got the right answer. And Vivek, he mentioned the identities A square minus B square and A plus B whole square. So my dear students, once again I will explain that this first part 1 plus tan A plus sec A, we written that 1 is written cos A by cos A. Tan we written sin A by cos A. And sec we written 1 by cos A. Yes, Vivek got the right answer. Similarly, the second bracket we written sin A by sin A, cos A by sin A, 1 by sin A. So we get the first bracket common denominator cos A, and the denominators are cos A plus sin A plus 1. That sin I written first, so sin A plus cos A plus 1. The second bracket sin A plus cos A minus 1. And we consider this sin A plus cos A as a single term A, and 1 is the second term B. So the first one will read A plus B, second one will read A minus B. So it is in the form A plus B into A minus B. So we can reduce it as A square minus B square. So I think it is clear. Pavan telling that it is clear. Vivek is telling. So my dear students, we got A square minus B square and we expanded A plus B whole square. So we got A square plus B square plus 2AB. Or we can write A square plus 2AB plus B square also. Both it is same. So sin square A plus cos square A is adding type 1. And last minus 1 is there. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 2 sin A cos A and sin A cos A is cancelled. So 2 is alone. So we got the answer 2. Now we are going to discuss very important things. Before that, 2 more questions are there. Can you answer question number 11? Sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. I am giving you 1 minute. Yes, we can take the question. Sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A, which is equal to sec A, we can write that what 1 by cos A. Tan A, we can write that is sin A by cos A into 1 minus sin A. And here denominator is same, so this we can write it as cos A, and on the numerator it will be 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. There is no denominator, means it will be equal to 1. Here numerators multiply. This is A plus B, this is A minus B. where a is 1, b is sine. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. As few students got the right answer. I appreciate Rabin, he got the right answer. So 1 minus sine square a, 1 square means 1, 1 minus sine square a is equal to cos square a. We studied that sine square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So this equation we can write that cos square a is equal to 1 minus sine square a. So instead of this 1 minus sine square a, we can write cos square a and divided by cos a. Here cos square a means cos a into cos a. So 1 cos a will be cancelled, balance 1 cos a will be there. So the answer is cos a. Option D is the right answer. Okay. Now, next question. Next question, 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a. This you can write very fast. Because 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. And 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Why? Because we studied the identity sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So this minus tan square a transposed to right side, it will be sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Similar relation is there in between cot and cosec. So we got here sec square a. Sec square a we can write that 1 by cos square a. Divided by cosec square we can write 1 by sin square a. Here reciprocal multiplication time 1 by cos square a into reciprocal of this will be sin square a by 1. Sin square a into 1 is sin square a by 1 into cos square a is cos square a. Many students got the right answer. I appreciate them. So my dear students, today we selected 1 mark questions. Why do we select 1 mark question? You know, this year according to the new type of question paper, most of the questions are based on 1 mark question. In our case study question also there will be multiple choice questions. So we have to give much importance to 1 mark question. What is the speciality of 1 mark question? It will be an objective type question. Objective type question can be selected from the each and every corner of the chapter. So we have to study all the formula, all the equations, such a way you want to practice this type of question. So before I conclude this session, I just ask you next time which chapter you expect. Most of the students suggest a particular chapter, it will be selected for tomorrow's session. Anyway, we will select all the chapters. Yes, as it is mentioned by Justin, in the case of objective, it is easy to get and it is easy to lose. So the perfection is very important. The perfection means based on the syllabus, all the areas should be studied. Okay. So can you suggest? Yes, Pavan is suggesting circles. So next day we will take the descriptive type question. Then day after tomorrow we will take again multiple choice questions based on the chapter. So anyway, thanks to all. Once again, I remind you to share this program your friends also, and we require more students participation. It is the best gift as a good student you are giving to me. If you like this, you just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, support. Okay, your support is the energy to do in the best level. You can give the feedback also. Yes, Ashodi is suggesting for triangles. Ashodi, surely we will go to triangles also. Today another one student asked me for polynomial. I will consider it. Yes, Vivek is also giving the comment. Okay. So my dear students, next day either circles or triangles, many chapters are suggesting. Our dearest Adil is suggesting for areas related circle. Okay, we will consider it. All chapters will be discussed. I want your cooperation and support. We have to get more participants. So you inform in your school and your friends. If it is possible, you just share it. Okay, thank you. We can conclude. We can meet tomorrow.